Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to DIY Del. Today we're taking a delightful journey into the whimsical world of the Baja Marimba Band with their album For Animals Only. Released in the mid-60s, this album offers a unique blend of Latin rhythms, jazz, and pop, all with an animalistic twist. Let's dive in. Before we get into the album, let's talk a bit about the Baja Marimba Band. Formed by Julius Wechter, a marimba virtuoso, the band was known for its light-hearted and humorous take on Latin music, blending it with pop and jazz elements. Their performances were not just about the music, they were about full-on entertainment experiences, complete with comedic acts and whimsical stage antics. Now on to For Animals Only. This album is a unique gem in the Baja Marimba Band's discography. Each track is named after an animal, adding a playful and thematic cohesion to the album. From the upbeat Fowl play to the mellow A Partridge in a Pear Tree, the album takes listeners on an auditory safari. The musical style of For Animals Only is a rich tapestry of marimba-led melodies, lush brass, and rhythmic percussion. The marimba, of course, takes center stage, lending a distinctively warm and tropical feel to the album. Each track cleverly incorporates animal-themed elements into the music. For instance, listen to the cat-like sounds in the Siamese Cat Song. It's this level of detail that makes the album a fascinating listen. While the Baja Marimba Band may not be as widely remembered as some of their contemporaries, For Animals Only stands out for its creativity and charm. It's a testament to the band's ability to blend humor with serious musicianship. The album's influence can be heard in the work of various contemporary artists who blend genres and incorporate whimsical elements into their music. So whether you're a longtime fan or new to the sounds of the Baja Marimba Band, For Animals Only is a delightful musical journey worth taking. What's your favorite track from the album? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more musical explorations. Until next time, keep those tunes playing.